Use the Google Chrome mode to privately browse the internet and avoid online tracking. To access, press Ctrl plus Shift plus N on Windows or Command plus Shift plus N on Mac or Apple computers. Use Incognito mode to avoid storing browsing history and cookies. Use private browsing to prevent websites from tracking your online activities. Incognito mode is a feature available in web browsers that allows users to browse the internet without leaving any traces of their online activity on the device they are logged into. This works best for those who use other computers or use the internet cafes. Instead of using the browser to log into your account, why not use the incognito? The primary purpose of these modes is to ensure that data and history from a specific browsing session do not remain on the device or get accessed by another user of the same device. The browsing history is not recorded, and local data related to the session, like cookies and web cache, are deleted once the session ends. Use guest mode to create a temporary browsing profile. Master these tips to protect your online privacy and security. Enhance your skills with Make the Most TV.